The miraculous cell. The body's cells are endowed with unsuspected powers and astounding properties. Despite its smallness, the cell is an exceedingly complex organism that does not in the least resemble the favorite abstraction of the modern chemist, a drop of gelatin surrounded by a semi-permeable membrane. While the structural complexity of the living cell is disconcerting to the orthodox biologist, its chemical constitution is still more intricate. A droplet of water forms a tiny microcosm containing, in a state of extreme dilution, a great variety of cosmic elements. The body cell is practically a duplicate thereof, but raised to the exalted plane of divine animation. Carroll says that the parent cell and the cells that come from there are not made of extraneous material like a house. He means that the cells are not composed of what man eats and drinks. He states that while the body is composed of cells as a house is of brick, the body is born of a cell that makes more cells, just as though a house originated from one brick, a magic brick, that would set about manufacturing other bricks. Those bricks, without waiting for the architect's drawings or the coming of the bricklayers, says Carroll, would assemble themselves and form a house, and all parts thereof.
Now this is fascinating. Just think about this for a second. That the body is composed of cells as a house is of brick. But think of a magic brick. A magical brick that would set about manufacturing other bricks. Those bricks, without waiting for the architect's drawings or the coming of the bricklayers, would assemble themselves and form a house and all parts thereof. So the body is doing the work. The cells that are duplicating and multiplying, the magical bricks that form our body in this miraculous state of multiplication, this miraculous state of vibration, this miraculous state of duplication, this miraculous state of cosmic creation. It is amazing just to feel the energy raising and to understand that you have magic in you. You are priceless. What price could you put on such an organism, such a being? What price could be put on your vessel? They talk about how, 7-year cycles or different cycles of time where the body reweaves and realigns. It's so divine how in a certain matter of days, weeks, months, and years, the body puts itself back together in so many ways. How our organs are reestablished, renewed, restored. There is a rebirth happening with these magical bricks of the body. Can you imagine that every so often during a duration of time, you have a new stomach, new lining, your gastrointestinal tract, new colon, right? No longer swollen. You have a new pancreas, a new liver, new kidneys, new bones, your skeletal structure in a certain matter of years, certain disharmony. Things disappear. Things are shed away while other things draw near. We can let go of the doubt, let go of the fear. So it's amazing once again, to feel the energy raising with the miraculous cells in the body. These magical cells in the body. It's like abracadabra, alakazam. I wasn't here, yet now I am. And I am. These words themselves stand for intention, action, manifestation. What will you do with your vessel of creation? What will you do with this information? What will you do? I trust that you received a nugget of wisdom, my friend, and I trust that this touched you in some form or fashion to answer the questions that we have been asking. Not just about pranic living, not just about fasting, but something that can be even more long-lasting. Blessings to you. You are a miracle of life. And when you understand this, you needn't think twice. That you can experience bliss for the rest of your life. Much love, my friend. This has been Jerome Shaw. And if you enjoy messages like this and want to dive even deeper to the content that we don't post here on this channel, check out the website that we have for you. It is at patreon.com/pranicpath. With a wealth of knowledge we did not learn in college. Check that out for you, and I trust you enjoy. We'll see you there. And for anyone looking for one-on-one coaching as well, you can schedule a session with me. Just message me on Patreon, and we'll get together. Much love, take care, stay aware, and we'll see you soon, my friend.